Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we're going to show you how to build a kayak rack. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Okay, so this is basically Caleb's design. And as you can see over here, this kayak rack will hold 3 different watercraft. We have both paddle boards and kayaks, so it could hold any combination of that. We happen to have 8 different items, so this rack is holding 3. In theory, you could put 2 more arms coming off of here, so this could be a 4 watercraft rack, but for our purposes, having it be 3, it just looks real nice. And so you can see over here on this one that was just constructed, it's first off, the wood that we used is green tree, so because it's going to be outdoors, you can make it out of either green tree or cedar if you really want to be fancy, but cedar wood costs quite a bit more than green tree does. So another option would be, if you don't like the look of this, you could paint it white or any color that you want to paint it, and it'll look very sharp. As far as functionality goes, we're accomplishing a couple of things. First off, we wanted to get all of our watercraft off the ground, so it's not just sitting there getting a bunch of mud and gunk on it. So it's nice to have them up in the air. And secondly, this looks a heck of a lot better than it used to because now they're neat and organized, whereas before they were just kind of laying haphazardly on the ground. Okay, so with this video, we're going to show you how we built this, or how Caleb built it, in pretty much in fast motion. And then we'll put in the description below all the different dimensions. So you wouldn't have to make it 100% identical to this, but this is very functional, so it'd be a good place to start. Very nice. Thank you.
Here's our frame.
Nice.
It's gonna be up like this. So once we get the legs braces, then we'll do the arms here and here, and then we'll put in some extra supports in the corners to make it a bit more sturdy.
Perfect. This is our DeWalt impact driver that we love.
Starting to look like a kayak rack.
There you go. Pretty cool. Nice.
Alright, there's one.
got to repeat that whole procedure on the other side, right?
Yep.
All right, so Caleb has been working away, and there is the finished kayak rack that will hold 3 kayaks, 2 in the front and 1 there in the back. And he also made this other one. We have 6 kayaks here. You can get a good look at how it was all constructed. All right, since Caleb built this, he's got some words of wisdom for you.
Hi there. So the basic construction of this whole rack was just to start by building a box. I believe it's 4.5 feet tall and 4 feet wide. I put in some extra supports so that it's not all rickety. Same with the arms. I ended up tacking on a couple of different supports. Both of these are different. Gives you an idea of some of the options you have when trying to support these beams. To fasten all this together, I just use the impact driver to sink all the screws in nice and deep, and I use some decking screws. You could use lag bolts if you wanted, but I find that the decking screws are a lot easier and cheaper to work with. As far as the angles of all this goes, it doesn't have to be precise. I just wanted them tilted back a little bit so it kept the kayaks on the rack and they wouldn't slide off. Okay.
All right, there comes Abby. She wants to see what we're doing with these kayaks.
Hi, baby. Hi.
All right, so Caleb also made this very cool little rack, and it's going to hold our paddle boards.
Let's put this on the back side.
All right, so we're all finished, and as you can see, things look a lot better around here than they used to now that everything's nice and neat and orderly. So I hope you got something out of this video, and if you did, please hit the like button. It helps out our channel. And don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of videos on the way, and also be sure to check out this video.